The Samsung Galaxy S9 launches February 25th and will be the biggest of 2018 so far, with the eyes of the world firmly placed on the South Korean firm as it introduces its retort to Apple's iPhone X, which arrived towards the end of 2017. This is 8 things you must know about Samsung Galaxy S9. 1. Samsung Galaxy S9 release date. Hottest leaks. Galaxy S9 launch date, confirmed for February 25th. Galaxy S9 pre-order date, rumored for March 1st. Galaxy S9 release date, rumored for mid-March. The Samsung Galaxy S9 launch date is locked down for Sunday, February 25th in Barcelona. This makes the Galaxy S9 launch earlier than 2017's S8 announcement, which happened after MWC, in March. The pre-order date is rumored to be March 1st, while the Samsung Galaxy S9 release date is tipped to be mid-March according to our sources close to the S9. 2. Samsung Galaxy S9 price. What we can safely predict is that the Samsung Galaxy S9 price is sure to be steep, as the Galaxy S8 launched at $720 or £689. The Galaxy S9 price will, at the very least, mirror that launch price of the S8, but there's always a chance it could cost even more. We expect the Galaxy S9 to inherit the same launch price as its predecessor, as it's set to be a more iterative update, rather than a whole new reboot of the series. 3. Samsung Galaxy S9 screen. Hottest leaks. An in-screen scanner. A water-repellent coating. A 5.8-inch QHD Plus screen. The Bell reports unnamed industry sources saying that Samsung has been hard at work on the display panels for the Galaxy S9 since late March 2017. If true, that's apparently about 6 months earlier than usual. As for the form the screen will take, it's rumored, and likely, to retain the Galaxy S8's 18.5:9 aspect ratio. In late 2016, Samsung licensed a new glass coating technology that makes water bounce off your smartphone screen. Samsung plans to include this tech in an upcoming phone, so it may mean the Galaxy S9 is much easier to use in the rain. 4. Samsung Galaxy S9 design. Hottest leaks. Smaller bezels. A repositioned fingerprint scanner. The most recent design leak comes in the form of a render found on the skin maker's site, showing both the front and the back of the Samsung Galaxy S9. You can make out details such as a single-lens camera with a fingerprint scanner below and an almost bezel-free screen, along with Samsung and Galaxy S9 branding on the back. This is video showing the Samsung Galaxy S9 from the front and back, albeit with the screen off. 5. Samsung Galaxy S9 camera. Hottest leaks. Samsung, the camera. Reimagined. A single-lens camera with variable aperture. Super slow-motion video. Mobile HDR video recording. Samsung Galaxy S9 camera rumors point to a 12-megapixels dual-pixel lens with optical image stabilization and a variable f1.5 until 2.4 aperture. This rumor comes from a leaked image of the Galaxy S9's box, which also lists it as being super speed, having an 8-megapixels front-facing camera and supporting super slow-mo. That last point is something we've heard rumored before, as industry sources claim Samsung is working on a rear camera that can shoot at 1000 frames per second, which would be better than anything on the market in a phone right now. 6. Samsung Galaxy S9 battery. Hottest leaks. A 3000 mAh battery. More power efficiency. The latest battery rumor comes in the form of a picture of a replacement unit on sale already for the phone, and it has a 3000 mAh capacity, the same as the Galaxy S8. This lines up with a certificate supposedly originating from Brazil's telecom regulator Anatel, which also shows the Galaxy S9's battery as being 3000 mAh. 7. Samsung Galaxy S9 operating system and power. Hottest leaks. Snapdragon 845 or Exynos 9810 chipset. Just 4 GB of RAM. Qualcomm has announced the Snapdragon 845, which will likely be powering OS versions of the Samsung Galaxy S9. 8. Samsung Galaxy S9 other features. Hottest leaks. An improved iris scanner. Stereo speakers. Samsung will likely improve the iris scanner for the Galaxy S9, with rumors suggesting it will be boosted to 3 megapixels, from 2 megapixels on the S8, and better able to recognize your eyes, even if you wear glasses or the lighting is poor. It will also apparently be faster than on the S8.